Introduction inverters are essential components in various electronic and electrical systems, converting direct current DC into alternating current AC. They play a pivotal role in applications ranging from household electronics to renewable energy systems. Understanding how inverters work and their applications can provide insight into their significance in modern technology. How inverters work. Basic principle at its core, an inverter converts DC electricity, which flows in one direction, into AC electricity, which periodically reverses direction. This is crucial because most household appliances and industrial equipment operate on AC power. The process involves several stages, including oscillation, switching, and filtering. Key components: oscillator generates a high frequency signal, forming the basis for the AC output. Switching devices. These include transistors like MOSFETs or IGBTs that toggle the DC supply on and off in response to the oscillator signal. Transformer steps up or steps down the voltage to the desired level. Filter smoothens the output to produce a clean AC waveform, typically using inductors and capacitors. Conversion process. Oscillation. The oscillator produces a square wave, which is not suitable for most AC applications, but provides a foundation for the conversion process. Switching. The square wave signal controls the switching devices, rapidly turning the DC input on and off. This creates a pulsed DC signal. Voltage transformation. The pulsed DC is fed into a transformer, which modifies the voltage to the required level. Filtering. The output from the transformer is still a pulsed waveform. Filters comprising inductors and capacitors smooth these pulses into a sinusoidal AC waveform, which is suitable for most AC devices. Types of inverter. Square wave inverters are the simplest and least expensive type of inverters. They produce a square wave output, which is not ideal for sensitive electronics due to the high harmonic content and potential for electrical noise. Modified sine wave inverters. Inverters produce a waveform that approximates a sine wave. The output is a stepped waveform that is more compatible with most AC devices than a square wave. They are more efficient and versatile than square wave inverters, but still not perfect for sensitive electronics. Pure sine wave inverters. Pure sine wave inverters produce a clean sinusoidal output that matches the quality of utility supplied AC power. They are ideal for sensitive electronics and high performance equipment, but are more expensive due to their complex design and components. Inverters are a cornerstone of solar power systems. Photovoltaic PV panels generate DC electricity, which inverters convert into AC for household use or grid distribution. Wind power. Similar to solar systems, wind turbines generate variable frequency AC or DC, which inverters convert to stable AC for grid compatibility. Uninterruptible power supplies. UPS systems use inverters to provide a continuous power supply to critical devices during power outages. The inverter converts the battery's DC power to AC, ensuring a seamless transition and uninterrupted operation of computers, medical equipment, and other essential devices. Electric vehicles. EVs. In electric vehicles, inverters convert the battery's DC power to AC to drive the electric motor. They also manage the regenerative braking process, converting the motor's AC output back to DC to recharge the battery. Household appliance inverters are used in various household appliances to improve efficiency and performance. For instance, Inverter air conditioners and refrigerators adjust their motor speeds to match the required cooling or heating load, reducing energy consumption and wear on the compressor. Industrial applications. Inverters are integral in industrial applications, particularly in motor control and variable frequency drives (VFDs). VFDs control the speed and torque of AC motors, optimizing performance and energy usage in machinery, conveyors, and pumps. Advanced inverter technology is grid-tied inverters. Grid-tied inverters synchronize the AC output with the utility grid. They are crucial in distributed generation systems, such as solar PV installations, allowing excess power to be fed into the grid. These inverters include safety features like anti-slanding protection, ensuring they shut down during a power outage to protect utility workers. Off-grid inverters are used in standalone power systems, where grid connection is not available. They are designed to work with battery storage, providing reliable power to remote locations, cabins, and emergency backup systems. Hybrid inverters. Hybrid inverters combine features of grid-tied and off-grid inverters. They manage power from solar panels, batteries, and the grid, optimizing energy use and storage. These inverters are increasingly popular in residential and commercial applications for their versatility and efficiency. Challenges and future directions. Efficiency and heat management. Improving the efficiency of inverters is a continuous challenge. Inefficient inverters waste energy as heat, necessitating robust cooling systems and reducing overall system performance. Advances in semiconductor materials, such as silicon carbide (SiC) and gallium nitride (GaN), are promising higher efficiency and reduced thermal management issues. Grid integration. As renewable energy sources proliferate, integrating inverters into the grid becomes more complex. Grid stability, frequency regulation, and harmonics management are critical challenges. Advanced inverters with smart grid capabilities, such as reactive power control and voltage regulation, are being developed to address these issues. Cost and accessibility. Reducing the cost of high-performance inverters is essential for broader adoption of renewable energy systems. Innovations in manufacturing processes, economies of scale, and government incentives are driving down costs, making advanced inverter technology more accessible. Technological innovation. Smart inverters. These inverters incorporate advanced communication and control features, enabling them to interact with the grid intelligently. They can adjust power output in response to grid conditions, provide ancillary services, and enhance grid stability. Multi-level inverters. These inverters produce higher quality AC output by using multiple voltage levels. They are particularly useful in high-power applications and renewable energy systems, offering improved efficiency and reduced harmonic distortion. Wireless power transfer. Innovations in wireless power transfer, particularly resonant inductive coupling and magnetic resonance, are opening new possibilities for inverters. These technologies enable efficient power transfer without physical connections, useful in applications ranging from EV charging to consumer electronics. Conclusion. Inverters are indispensable in modern electrical and electronic systems, enabling the seamless conversion of DC to AC power. Their applications span a wide range of industries, from renewable energy and electric vehicles to household appliances and industrial machinery. Advances in inverter technology are driving improvements in efficiency, cost, and functionality, contributing to the broader adoption of renewable energy and the development of smarter, more resilient power systems. As technology continues to evolve, inverters will play an increasingly vital role in shaping the future of energy and power management.